Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert camera symbol in Word. So this is very easy and simple. So first you need to click on insert. Now this last one symbol, just click on it. Now click on more symbols. Now font, select this one, and character code is E124. Just type this character code and click on insert. And second one is just character code is E114. Just type this E114 and click on insert. Just type E12D and click on insert. This is third one and fourth one. So type this three and click on insert and close it. So this way you can insert camera symbol in Word. So hopefully guys you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.